how to remove a member from Facebook Messenger group chat. As you guys can see, I have my Facebook Messenger open here and I also have a group. But before we begin the video, make sure to hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel, and also turn on post notification for future updates. Alright, so as I was saying, I'm in a group here right now. So if you want to remove a member, you can just open your group chat and tap on the group name. This will open up your settings. Now, if you scroll down under chat info, you can see an option to see members. So just tap on it, and here you will see all of the members in the group. Now, if you want to remove someone, you need to make sure that you have that permission, or you won't be able to do that. As you can see, I am the admin of the group, so I am able to add or remove members from the group. So let's say if I want to remove this person right here, I'm just going to tap on it. And here is an option to invite them as an admin, block them, and finally to remove from group chat. I'm just going to tap on this option, and as you can see, the member now has been removed. So if you want to add them back in, you can just tap on add, choose the name, and add. And that's how you can add them back as well. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.